Hi folks. This is a message to my fans on the Korean Peninsula, South Korea. Recently, once again, I'm getting a lot of hate comments on my YouTube videos and messages on Facebook from people in South Korea expressing hate, cursing, worse than a drunken sailor. They're cursing at me. And my question is, why? I have not posted a video in reference to Korea in many moons, that's many months, and many moons, and all of a sudden this gets resurrected. Why the delayed reaction? Did it take you this long to realize what I said in those videos? Was somebody, one of my fans in South Korea, can you please answer? We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.